Go.
I've cut it up into equal pieces.
Cut up some potato into equal pieces.
And now I'm just adding some seasoning mix. I'm adding some paprika, some smoked paprika, olive oil,
Pepper.
salt and pepper, basically. That's it. Is that okay? Add a bit of this, whatever it is.
Read it. What is it?
Why do I have salt in it?
It is seasoning mix sanador. Sazonador.
Okay, half an hour.
Half an hour.
Try them in half an hour.
Hey, get out the
Let's go.
picture.
Any mash? No, it's alright.
We're trying to record something here, just if you didn't know. There's 30 minutes.
Takže tenhle jo, spicy bean burger bude
To budete závidět.
And we're gonna show you when we're done.
Já to nemám ráda maso.